These are all from Mulligan, Zach. What else you got?
Get an extra 20% off everything with a free savings pen.
Zach, you gonna open some more?
Only $19.99.
All right, that's the one you found before. You really should take time to appreciate them, Zach. Okay, I'm going to turn this off so I can help you.